Hello guys, today we are looking at the true monster in the rugged smartphone world. The Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra pushes things even further with insane specs and unmatched durability. The first thing that stands out is gigantic 21,200 mAh battery, basically a built-in power bank, and thanks to 120-watt fast charging you won't be waiting forever to fill it up. Under the hood it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor paired with 16GB of RAM and incredible 1TB of storage, expandable up to additional 2TB. That's a flagship level performance with massive capacity for apps, photos and videos. On the front you get a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with the Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. On the back there is also a handy 1.4-inch AMOLED secondary display for notifications and quick info. The cameras are equally impressive. The main shooter uses Sony's 1-inch IMX989 sensor with the 50 megapixel, giving you top-tier flagship quality. Is backed up by the 64 megapixel night vision camera and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens with the 170-degree field of view. Like every Armor phone, this one is built like a tank. IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD-810H certifications for water, dust, drops and extreme environments. And on the back you get even 1000 lumen LED flashlight, strong enough to replace a real torch. The Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra will soon be available on the AliExpress, Amazon and the official Ulefone store. Check out the official link below this video for more details and stay tuned for more tech reviews.